Why do we renovate? Well, some of us do the work to make our homes more comfortable or useful, or to catch up with design trends. Others to attract buyers and make money as soon as possible. On this edition of Ready Set Renovate, making those renovations pays off, no matter when it's time to sell.
Statistics have shown that homes sell for about 17% more when they're staged, so that's a pretty big percentage.
More money, less time. Sounds great, right? Well, there are people who help home sellers maximize profits. Not a realtor, but a stager.
How do you decide what goes in there?
Well, every house is unique, so we have a formula that we try to follow.
A stager has everything she needs to showcase any house, or maybe just a room, at her fingertips. She can help sellers grasp a buyer with her art of turning any room into a show space, even a place that seems to have no purpose.
All right. Okay, so for this area, that's a little bit different. We're gonna have to work with that. How can we make that look better?
For example, what to do with this room, just off the master suite.
We try to come up with something unique that'll give them an idea. Maybe it's a nice little reading nook or an area to do homework.
Stagers believe furniture gives purpose to any room. They focus on the details and offer the small touches that open a buyer's mind to the possibilities.
It's a clean canvas, it's, and then you bring it to life and it becomes a home, someone that, can see themselves living here. So coming into this and then you're painting a beautiful picture and it just comes to life.
It's a fantasy. You look at a house like that and you're like, wow, I'm gonna live like this. Really, it's nice and neat and orderly and everything matches.
That fantasy starts here on a computer, moves into the warehouse full of everything you might ever need for a home, and ends up like this in a home ready to sell.
Hey guys, welcome. Come on in, good to see you.
Good to see you.
We see it all the time. We've had homes that have been on the market 2 or 3 years. We staged and they sold in a week.
How do they do it? And can they turn your home into a showplace worth more than you dreamed? Imagine the possibilities as we take you inside 2 homes that are staged to sell on Ready Set Renovate.